Hello friends, welcome to my channel Crochet Best. Today in this video I will show you a beautiful wool shawls. This shawls is very unique and with hoodies. I hope you enjoy this video and like this video. I try my best make good videos for you. Please give me in the comments what do you see in next video. I try to best work. Some my friends is very helping and supporting, so thank you my friends for support and help and appreciate my videos. Thank you very much. If you like my videos, please give me the comments. Please like my video, sharing with your friends and relatives. Subscribe my channel and support me. Your support is very important for me, and you all friends are very important for me. You see my videos and give the very ideas for my videos. So friends, my English is not well, but I am trying best. Some friends are very supporting and very cooperative, and I'm very thankful to all my friends. Bye, take care.